Another mistake following on that, of course, was the illegal bombing of Serbia in March of 1999, or watch my time. That was engineered long before the bombing. We have now evidence that the Americans were planning this months ahead of time.
What followed was the expulsion, or to use the Balkan term, as the cleansing of tens of thousands of Serbs in spite of the presence of NATO peacekeepers.
In the meantime, we know that what's happened in Kosovo, 150 Christian churches and monasteries destroyed, most of the non-Albanian population ethnically cleansed, and Kosovo has been, since 1999, the home of corruption and crime. Most of the heroin trafficking into Western Europe takes place there.